Hi guys, how you doing? Hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video, which is going to be an unboxing, well, unbagging anyway, from, if you know this pattern, you'll know the brand. But first off, if you're new, hi, welcome, my name is Matt, welcome to my channel. Please take a moment to subscribe, it's free, there's no cost to you for doing so. Just click that button down below and ring my bell to be notified when I upload. I do videos, obviously, about shopping and things like that. So we do come shop with me, so we do hauls, we do other things. So if that sounds like your cup of tea, click the button down below and subscribe. But as I said, today's video is going to be an unboxing, unbagging reveal of this item in here. It is from VANS, hence this. There is a logo there. It's got my details on the other side, so I don't want to show you everything, but I purchased a bag from them. Now, if you've been on my channel a while, I have I don't know how to pronounce the first part of the name of the brand, but I have the Kanken brand sling bag, which is the small sling version of their famous iconic backpack that's got a crossbody strap, and you can wear it crossbody. That, I'll put the videos up to my experience with that bag, but hasn't been the best because it rubs on clothes, and when I say rubs on clothes, ruins them in my experience, in my personal opinion, allegedly in my experience. Basically, it's quite rough on the back, the one I've got, and then therefore has created some friction on clothes, therefore pilling them and bobbling them. So I have kind of been on the hunt for a bag to replace that. I don't go on too many places where I need a bag for a day trip, but I'm going on holiday soon and I wanted a bag anyway that I can put stuff in. I do really want a waterproof one, and I've been looking on places. There is a North Face one I particularly wouldn't mind getting for a waterproof one, because I went to Newcastle a few years ago. Was it last year or the year before? And it completely rained loads, and this is the bag I took. I've not used this in ages. And this is okay, but it's discoloured it a bit and it's not waterproof. I'm not saying this bag is going to be waterproof. I'm going to put this here because I have got a few things to test what's in this bag, but we're going to open it now without further ado. Let me show you, and I'll put the name. I do like this because it's got, I'll put the name of the bag on the screen, because I don't think I can pronounce it. It's the Lil Pergs Tote by VANS. It looks about this size. I'm not sure where my Kanken bag is. I think it's in storage far away. And I say far away, it's under me, so I'm not going to be able to get it out to compare it to you. But if you'd like a comparison, because this is kind of a similar thing, because this is basically a little tote, a small tote version, a little version of a tote bag that VANS do, which I do like the style of having a little tote bag. I don't know, and it looks a decent-ish size. Now the issue, so this is the back. Let's do a tour. I just hit myself in the face, but we've got a tour of the front. Basically, this bag, little logo there, no pockets on the front, no pockets on the back. So we've got the front here, side. It is, let me show you the other side, that's better, gusseted. So I think this will flatten out. Same on this side. And at the moment it's flat, but I think once you get stuff in it, it will make it flatter. It's got two little handles here, but D-rings with detachable crossbody strap in the beige colour. They do this in another colour, a black and white as their iconic check. Can you see the check here? I don't think it really showed too much up on camera, the check, but that is probably because I have the night light on my computer and phone all the time. So yeah, that's that. And then at the top you have got a zip here to, I would say, is this meant to have like a tab on it or something, because that's a very short stubby zip. And then it opens up and it is just one compartment. I wasn't sure if I was expecting anything more to be a slip pocket or anything, but it is one compartment. That's all she wrote. There's nothing in there. Let me see if I can kind of shape it a bit, because I will obviously be putting stuff in here and I'd quite like to be able to do that. I would say, so the zipper you can pull out, that's quite easy too, and then you can tuck that in if you don't want it out like that. I don't know, it's sometimes easier to do that, but a zip compartment is good. I would say you can see through it to a degree that you can't see it, but I can see, well, the light comes through it basically. It's very light, and I can see, if I put my hand up into it and look from the bag outwards, I can see my hand. So I don't know what that's telling me, but yeah, that's that. I wanted to, let me take off this. It's just got an elasticated band, which this strap is, let me just put that there. This is adjustable completely, which is amazing. We like that. So I'm just going to attach it on like a swivel completely, so it wouldn't matter, can you see, it wouldn't matter what way you do it. There's no branding or anything on the little straps, but the colour of this matches perfectly to the colour of that. Now, the thing, before I forget and get into the capacity, the thing that was annoying about the Kanken version, although they're completely different bags, but kind of similar in probably size. Yeah, I would say size. I think this is a bit wider size, I think, but that one has more pockets. The thing with that bag is on the back where it sits against you, it has like exposed rough edges, whereas this one doesn't. So I feel like this bag is going to be much better in that respect. Now, I've got two different size water bottles here as a little tester to see what fits in, because I do like to bring a water bottle around. This is a 500ml bottle and that is a 330. So the 500 fits, but I don't think you would be able to potentially do it up. Can you see, when I've zipped it closed, it's kind of there. So it fits to a degree. You could put it in at an angle, so it goes like that, and then that does fit in and shuts. So it depends if you want a big bottle, what that would be like, but in terms of fitting in, it fits, and it doesn't, like, it's not wider than the bag, if that makes sense. But this is a pretty, I mean, it holds its shape. It's not going to just sit, you can't sit it up, I don't think. But yeah, let me just, I'm going to put it on me, and I want to see. I mean, it's completely adjustable, so you can do whatever you like with it, but with that water bottle in, it doesn't feel too massive, you know what I mean? And it is a very light bag anyway. It's like light, quite jingly jangly though. Good thing with this that the Kanken doesn't have, and if you, I might do a full comparison actually, because they're quite comparable. This has completely detachable straps, whereas I don't think that one does. Let's try the small bottle now, which will obviously fit in much better. Can you see there's probably a good decent amount of room to the side of that and to the top, so straight up that is going to fit in quite well. Let's see what else I can put in, because for example this bag is very moldable. This is a really old one from Top Man. Literally, I think I got this in the pandemic. It was £8. I'll come on to the price in a minute. This is a lot wider and a lot more manual, but this is a lot taller. Not that we're comparing things. And I've not sorted this bag out in a while. I've got a small Evian bottle in here, which is the same size as that one, and my other bits. So I think This one's got more compartments though, but I think it would be fine. Sorry, I'm just looking at the window. I think, you know, it's going to fit what I need to fit in, because that other bag doesn't actually have... This is more structured in terms of it's thicker, it's got nice little handles, but I think it will fit. It'll be fine. I'll try and do like a what's in my bag or something with it. Now, come on to the price. This bag I got for... How much did I get for? So this bag retails for £30, which is half priced, if not a bit more than half price of the Kanken bag. But I've got a blue light card. I got an additional 20% off, so I got this for £24 from the VANS website directly, and I got free shipping with that as well. So it did take an extra 2 days to come. It said it was going to come on a Tuesday, but it came on the Thursday. It came by Yodel, but it's fine. Free shipping, and I think it came from America. I'm not sure, it said international shipping or something, but it was free. So yeah, I am quite happy with it. For £24, I don't think it's too bad. This is very easily adjustable. The strap is very soft. I'd probably have it there, so it comes down to there. I don't think the handles are going to be that annoying. The strap, easy to get in and out of. As I said, I think you could fill this bag quite well and it'll be fine. But yeah, let me know down below if you've got this bag and what your thoughts on it are. But if you haven't already, take a moment to subscribe, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye.
Oh, man, I still go, 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 yeah, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day.